Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kaz here, and I'm back with another video. This video is part 2 to my total room makeover. This makeover was an empty room makeover. Pretty much I threw everything out and I'm starting from afresh. So if you have not watched that video already, stop this video right now and go and watch my first video of me getting and receiving everything. But you guys, let's jump right into this video.
Vlog.
Right.
Extended.
So it could be closer and stuff.
No, the arms that I put on the bracket.
Right.
So it could match up with the holes on it.
Oh. So you had to drill it into the TV?
No, the TV already come pre.
With the holes?
Yeah.
It just didn't look like it would fit it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It comes with arms more.
Oh, yeah. You had to add it to it. Oh, the arms stretch it out.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I was looking at. Yes, you guys, look at my TV. It looks so nice on the wall. Makes my TV look different. I also love it because it comes out, as y'all can see. Ooh, so y'all know I'm about to decorate this. Period. My dresser I have to put the hooks, the drawer handles in the dresser and then decorate the dresser. I'm gonna move this thing right here. I'm gonna move this on out the way, probably like attach it back here so you don't see it. Try to get rid of some of these cords. But other than that, we ready. So look what I found at Walmart. It is self-adhesive wall decor, and I thought it was so cute. It was only like $4.98 for about 8 of them. So I did start to put them on the wall like this, and I kind of just taped it to see where I would place it. And I think I might leave it like this, you guys, because I think it's kind of cute like that, I might get some more, who knows, but I'm gonna really tape them on or stick them on because they just stick to the wall. Take the tape off and stick it, and hopefully, it'll come out cute or whatever. So you guys, this is how it came out. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't even think this is the way I had it, y'all, but I'm gonna leave it like this. I think it's cute. They are little mirrors, so you do take off like the top film, but I'm gonna leave that on until later on. So this is how the wall is looking so far. Yay. All right, you guys, you ready? 1, 2. So you guys, let's start over here in this little corner. I have my bookshelf. This is a super cute bookshelf that I got from Lowe's. It was about 35 bucks. And these brown cubbies I got from Walmart. They were really cute because I like the wood finish in the front, which I haven't seen on most of these cubbies, but I thought that was super cute. Also, I have just like a few things inside. This is all like my electronics. I have a lot of business stuff in here that I use to ship out, and that's a bunch of makeup down there. And then I have all my books, my Bible, inspirational books, notebooks, and things. I have Pray More, Worry Less. This is I actually write little notes inside, and I put it inside, and I leave it to God, and He answers them. And when He answers them, I just check them off. So it's my little prayer box. I also have here my iHome, and where I actually charge my phone. And then this little picture that says, faith makes all things possible, love makes all things easy, hope makes all things work, you guys. So that's what I have there. Also up here, I have a picture of my mom and a little flower. I also have right here my makeup, little accessories and things, not too much. Now onto my bed, you guys. My bed, y'all see me put this whole bed together. It was crazy, but I love the fact that everything came in a box, so it was so easy. It was delivered to the house. Y'all seen it. I got these sheets from Ross. I love it. This actual blanket I got from Walmart. I'll link everything in the description below so you guys can check that out. Whatever you can get from the links. You know, Ross is like a hit or miss. You just got to go in there and find it. But I did find this comforter from Ross and all these pillows I already had. I did get that black one from Ross. I DIY all these picture frames. I just got the frames from Ross and I just printed out a couple words and put it in. So I thought that was cute. Now on to my desk, which I'm going to put a link. I'm going to do a video showing how I actually covered this desk. I'm the one that put this wallpaper covering over it. So I'll show you guys a video. I'll put that in the link so you guys can see how I actually did that desk. But I got this chair from Ross. Again, everything is pretty much Ross and Amazon and Walmart, y'all. So I got that. There's my laptop. You know, all these little goodies. I got this picture frame, Hustle Harder, from Burlington. I thought that was cute. And this matching clock, like, I don't know. And I thought to like put it this way because, you know, just a little different design. These wall mirrors, as you can see, they're all mirrors. It's super cute. They're all mirrors. I thought that was cute. Everything cute. I thought it was very different. It gives me like a bumblebee beehive vibe. So I thought that you know, went well with everything I had going on here. So, you know, filling that my little desk area. And right here I have all of my workout gear that I just set in the corner here. I have nothing in this corner yet. Usually I have my ring light up and I'll just put it there, but I do have to get like a filing cabinet for work to put there. And I'm not sure what else I want to do to the wall, but I might do something to the wall. And this is my dresser, y'all. Y'all seen how I painted the handles to my dresser. I could have painted them better, but I was rushing. But it still came out really nice. They come silver, and you can just literally paint them any color you want. So, and this is my dresser. Pretty simple. I got this diffuser from Marshall's. I think it fit good with everything, my whole aesthetic vibe. So I thought that was cute. And this candle, y'all, have to get this candle from Walmart. Like, literally, I don't have to burn it. I can just leave it open, and the scent lights up the room like a permanent air freshener. It's crazy, y'all. Y'all have to get this scent. Go try it out at Walmart. That's my little tray of everything that I actually use. Lotion, spray, all the good stuff. This I got from my sister, and I think it smells so good, y'all. It came from Bath and Body Works, I think. I think she got it from Bath and Body Works. But that I just used to spray my whole room, and it smells good. Y'all see the vibes, the little fireplace I did for y'all, you know, give y'all a little vibe, whatever. And this corner, I just have my Wicked basket that I bought. I think I'm gonna put a big plant somewhere. And one of these, I need a big plant. I think I might put a big plant in that corner over there. But I just put my basket here, and it's covered, and it's all good. And this section right here is blank space. I did not get a chance to put up my wall rack, shoe rack, and everything, but I am gonna do that in another video. So please subscribe so y'all can see when that video is coming. This is my mirror that I got from, where did I get this mirror, y'all? Where did I get this mirror? Homegoods. I got this mirror from Homegoods. So this is everything. I just put it on this stepper here. Y'all can see to make it higher. But, you know, this is the mirror. And my rug, of course, I got this rug from Ross. It just fit right in with everything, like I said, that I had going on. It's one of those fuzzy rugs. It is easy to get dirty. You can see little things on it, but that's a good thing, because then you just clean it more, because you do have like little particles that you can easily see on there. And of course, my ottoman that I got from Ross. But yes, you guys, that is my room tour. Everything. A little inspiration. If you guys want to try out some things that I got, just let me know. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Subscribe, okay? It's lit over here. Anyways, I hope you guys like my shirt. Period, okay? See you guys. Bye.